In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Audible app on Android. Audible is a fantastic app by Amazon that allows you to listen to audiobooks, podcasts, and more. It's one of the most popular platforms for audio entertainment, making it a must-have for any audiobook lover. Let's get started with the first step. Unlock your Android phone. Once your phone is unlocked, tap on the Google Play Store app. This is the gateway to downloading a wide range of apps, including Audible. Remember, the Google Play Store is where you access official applications that are safe and verified, which is crucial for maintaining your device's security. Now, with the Play Store open, look for the search bar at the top, type in Audible, and wait for the results to appear. This step is important because typing accurately ensures you find the official app without any confusion. Once the search results populate, look for the app named Audible Tokens, named Audio Entertainment. It should be developed by Audible Inc., a part of Amazon. This is vital because choosing the correct developer confirms you're downloading the right app. Next, tap on the app to open its page. Here, you'll see detailed information about the app, including user reviews and ratings. This is where you'll tap the Install button. Wait patiently as the app downloads and installs onto your device. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so make sure you're connected to a reliable network. Once the installation is complete, you have two options. You can either tap Open directly from the Play Store, or you can locate the Audible app on your home screen. Either way, this launches Audible and prepares you for the next step. Now it's time to either sign in or create an account. If you already have an Amazon account, use your existing credentials to log in. This keeps all your Amazon services under one convenient login. If you don't have an account yet, this is your chance to create one. Follow the prompts, entering your details as required. Remember, having an account allows you to access Audible's vast library of audiobooks and other content. Here's a helpful tip. Audible often offers a free trial for new users, giving you a chance to explore their offerings at no cost. Within the app, you can download books for offline listening, which is especially useful for when you don't have access to the internet. For the best download experience, connect to Wi-Fi. This ensures faster and more reliable downloads, saving you time and data. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to downloading the Audible app on your Android device. Now you're ready to dive into a world of audiobooks and audio entertainment at your fingertips. Enjoy your listening experience. Thank you for watching, and happy listening.